Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enhance audio in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just select a project that we want to work on. Then tap on edit. And here, if we scroll to the right, we find enhance voice. Now, if we have an audio file or a video, we can tap on this, and then the sound quality and the voice quality in that recording is going to be increased. It's going to be fixed, some problems in it, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.